Meaning of hubby.
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 Hubby. The term hubby is a colloquialism that's commonly used as a term of endearment to refer to one's husband or partner. It's an informal and affectionate way of addressing one's significant other and is often used in informal settings between couples. The term gained popularity in the 20th century and has since become a common part of many people's vocabulary. While the term is generally considered to be a harmless and affectionate term, it's important to remember that different people have different preferences and may not feel comfortable being referred to in that way.